students, in this particular video we will be studying about the cell. Okay, if you want to learn more about cell, then you are at the right place. So let's begin with the topic. Cell is the basic structure unit of the living thing. What does the basic structure unit of the living thing mean? The basic thing, okay, the fundamental thing. That means smallest or tiniest thing that are combining to form a large body, okay, is known as the basic structure. Okay, for example, you take the wall of your house. If I tell you to count the number of bricks that are making up the wall of your house, can you count it? No. In the same way, we also cannot count the number of cell that is making us. Okay, likewise the brick are making the wall. In the same way, cell is making a body. Got it? Now coming to the discovery of the cell. Cell was discovered by Robert Hooke in the year 1665. In what did he discover that cell? He discovered that cell in a cork. What is cork now? Cork is a wooden lid, all right, and he saw the cell in the wooden lid with the help of a simple microscope. What is simple microscope? Simple microscope is just a magnifying glass, you can tell. In that magnifying glass, he saw the compartment of the cell. Okay, what kind of compartment? Like a honeycomb, all right. In a madhumakhi ka chhata, you can see that there are the tiny boxes, small boxes, right? Those boxes kind of thing. He saw the same kind of structure when he saw the cork with the help of a magnifying glass. Okay, and then he named each compartment, each box को उन्होंने क्या नाम दिया? Cell नाम दिया. All right. Now coming to the next part, that is the cell theory. Cell theory was given by Sheldon and Son in 1838. All right. All organisms are made up of one or more cell. It states that all organisms are made up of one cell, or it can be made up of more than one cell. But no matter what, all the living organisms, they are made up of cell. Okay. Now new cell arise from pre-existing cell. Pre-existing means already existing. मतलब जो new cell होता है वो पुराने cell से ही divide होके बनता है. All right. All cell have similar structure and function, though they are of different type. That means no matter the cell are different, okay, but the inner composition of the cell are always same. ठीक है, जो अंदर का जो चीज होता है cell के अंदर वो हमेशा same होता है. Now coming to the number of the cell, okay, depending on the organism, okay, they can be unicellular or multicellular. Okay, when we talk about unicellular organism, you can take the example of bacteria, you can take the example of amoeba. Okay, they are made up of single cell. Uni means one. Okay, when we talk about multicellular organism, they are made up of more than one cell. Okay, that means two cell. If an organism is made up of two cells, they are also multicellular. If the organism is made up of million or billion of cells, then also they are multicellular. We are multicellular organism because we are made up of so many cells. Okay, now coming to the next part, that is the size of the cell. Okay, the size of the cell are different depending on their function or the type of the cell. For example, you take one egg. Okay, you can see egg, you can feel egg, you can eat egg, isn't it? Can you see bacteria? Can you feel bacteria? Can you eat bacteria? No, right? That means the cell, the same cell, single cell, some can be big also, some can be small also. Okay, depending on their type, they can be small or they can be big. Can you see our cell? No, we can't see our body cell because our cell are very small. All right, but we can say egg. Okay, now you see the smallest cell is mycoplasma and the largest cell is ostrich egg. Okay, and the longest cell is human nerve cell. All right, now coming to the next part, that is the shape of the cell. You see, cell can be round also, it can be spherical also, it can be elongated also. So let's see what all shapes the body cell are having. Now you see long and pointed end, that is muscle cells. Muscle cells are long and they are pointed. Okay, and the next you see long and branch. Nerve cell, they are long and they are branched at the head. Okay, and you see spherical, that is the RBC. Alright, they are spherical. And you see non-defined shape. Some cell have non-defined shape. Those are WBC and amoeba. Okay, amoeba also their cell is not defined. That was how they take food. They take food with the help of pseudopodia, right? Pseudopodia is a false leg that outgrow when wherever that amoeba it finds food. That means it is not having a definite shape. And the WBC in our body is also same. The WBC in our body is also not having a definite shape. Alright, I hope this part is clear to you. Okay, so I hope you got what is cell now. Cell can be of any shape, it can be of any size. Okay, it can perform any function, but no matter what, it is the basic unit. Okay, basic unit means the main unit or the smallest unit which makes up a living organism. Alright, in next part we will be studying about how we can view the cell under a microscope. Alright, thank you.